I want to let you know about some very, very special content I have coming up. So every January, the entire world convenes on Las Vegas for what is known as the Consumer Electronics Show. CES, as it's otherwise known, has been going on in Las Vegas for a very long time. And it's well known as a show that brings all kinds of electronics and consumer electronics manufacturers, and they have special announcements, debut products, press conferences, a very elaborate booths, um, parties, all kinds of different things going on. You've probably heard about it. It's been around for a long time. To be frankly honest, even my mom knows about CES. I told her about it and she knew exactly what I was talking about. So it's coming up in January. It's a trade only show. It's not open to the public. And they do that because they release some, very innovative things. They're going to have some really great keynotes, including Jensen Huang from NVIDIA. I'm really looking forward to that keynote. A lot of people, a lot of press conferences, a lot of booths, a lot of things to see and do. And of course, there's also a lot of data science there. There is AI companies from all over the world that are doing everything from the cars to medical devices, to home devices, to software libraries, everything along those lines. So, actually, should I take my first ride in an AV car at the show? Let me know, because I think they're going to have some at the show. So, let me know in the comments if you think I should risk my life and get in an AV car. But since it's not open to the public, don't you worry. Your good friend Dennis has got you covered. I have secured a pass for myself, and I'm going to be going there, and I'm going to be bringing you media coverage from every single day of the show. I'm going to cover as many aspects of the show as I can. Obviously, I'm going to be focusing on the data science, AI, and machine learning products that are going to be there. So here's the content that I'm going to be planning. I'm going to be bringing you daily show previews. I'm going to be bringing you keynote presentations, reports from the keynote presentations. I'm going to be bringing you reports from AI companies and products that I find interesting. Now, you know that I always give you the straight talk. I give you the real world talk. So I'm going to cut through all the vaporware, all the nonsense that's out there, and I'm going to be bringing you products that I think actually have some viability in the marketplace. I'm also going to be doing executive roundups for people that need kind of brief summaries on the show for some of the data executives that watch my show. And I'm also going to be doing this across all my platforms. I'm going to be doing it on Instagram, on YouTube, on X, on Threads, be pushing out as much content as I can. So it's going to be January 7th through the 10th. I'm going to be giving you content a little bit before that and a little bit after that, because there are some media only events that I'm going to be attending. So it's going to start basically as soon as the new year comes in 2025. By the way, if you're a data executive and you're coming into Las Vegas for the show, get in contact with me. I'd love to interview you. Dinner's on me. I'd love to put you on my podcast to all of my followers. So if you're going to be in town, you want to get a message out there, let me know. Leave me a comment below or contact me in my email address that's on my YouTube account. Or maybe you're just an individual that has some questions for an AI company. You're not able to attend the show. You're not in the area or you're not able to secure a pass. Let me know if you have questions for these AI companies, because I'd love to be able to ask some of these some questions of these companies that are coming from my audience. If you want to have an easy way to follow all of my content, I'm going to be using the hashtag CES with Dennis. So feel free to follow that on all of my platforms. And you're going to see me putting out shorts. You're going to see me putting out long form videos, sometimes multiple videos a day. I just really can't tell you how excited I am to be bringing you this content. I think there's going to be a lot of really innovative companies there. And as I said, I love giving you the straight talk. I love giving you the real world talk. So I'm going to be walking the show as much as I can and bringing you companies that are really doing some innovative items out there. So I'm really excited to be bringing that to you guys. So look for that at the beginning of the year, January 7th through the 10th of 2025. That's approximately 1 month from now. And I'll see you next time.